Yes, ma. How many of you have done with at least 3 ligands? Marvin, Ritika, Ramesh, Nikhil. Am I audible?
Sir, my files are still getting downloaded, so it's taking too much time.
Okay. Yeah, Zoheb, you are done?
No, sir. Sir, it's saying directory invalid.
Uh, you just share your screen, ma.
Yes, sir.
Sabah, are you doing? Or you said power issue, right? Okay.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible, ma, but you are sharing only the Chrome tab.
Yes, sir. One second.
You have to share entire screen. Okay, then only I'll be able to look. Okay, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, sir, I'm copying the path and
What you copy?
sir.
Yeah, click on run as administrator. Okay,
Yes, sir.
copy the path.
CD and then paste.
Hmm.
So after I click enter,
No,
the
you
directory
have to
name
copy
is
the path, not there. Go to the top, Excel, molecules, top, in your folder. Okay, ma'am.
in this one, sir.
No, top, more top.
This
WES
one.
2526. There you have to copy. Copy that one. Okay, that is the path
Okay.
you have to paste. Yeah.
So here I click on after entering CD, I
Hmm.
copy pasted
Paste
that
it.
and
Yes. Okay. Now
okay.
you give the Vina command.
Yes, once.
Yeah, press enter, ma.
Yes, one. I'm just copy pasting the
No, you
file.
can't copy paste here. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
You can give that command also directly because that file is also there, right?
Right, sir.
You can't copy like this. Give a backspace. Hmm. Now type it. Okay. .txt. Okay. Space. I will tell ma. You just type log space log underscore. Now give that 5362743 dot txt 43.
Oh shit. Once.
It is not. It cannot
No, no.
recognize.
I accidentally clicked on enter.
No problem. But it's not working for you. Okay, dot txt. I think it's not working. Ah, okay, you come back to the folder. See what is the problem. Every one of you look at his screen. So what is the problem, ma? -config is not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, so now let's see how we are going to fix that. Okay, go to the folder Zoheb.
Yes, sir.
वीना एग्जीक्यूटेबल्स हैं यहाँ पे. लाइसेंस फाइल कहाँ है?
License file is here, sir.
Copy all the 3 files. You copy all the 3 files.
Yes, sir.
Now paste it in that folder. Replace it. Okay, all the 3
Yes,
files
sir.
should be in the folder. Now run the command. Let's see whether this will fix the issue. Yeah, click on upward arrow mark. कीबोर्ड में अपवर्ड आर्मर क्लिक करो, then press enter. Still this is not recognized. So when you have opened this command prompt, have you clicked on run as administrator?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so where is this folder? This folder is in which drive?
It's on my desktop, sir. Not in Drive C, if I'm not wrong.
It's on the desktop. Are you sure?
Y- Yes, sir. It's on
No,
my
no.
desktop.
This WS 2526 folder.
Yes, sir. Uh, I'll just show it to you. Yeah, it's in Drive C, and then on my uh, account, and then desktop.
Okay, it's on the desktop. No, shift this folder. Just copy that WS 2526 folder to downloads or documents.
Okay. Hmm.
डेस्कटॉप पे क्लिक करो पहले.
Yes, sir.
No, some files are opened, so it is close all the
Yes.
files.
Let's close this one. So,
This close this command prompt also.
yes, sir. Right.
Okay.
Should I open it again, sir? And then
Yeah, now you do the process.
so,
So one second, Zoeb. So where are these
yes.
PDB Qt files? You paste it here only, not inside the folders.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because we have everything should be in the folder, same folder, not in subfolders.
All right, sir.
Okay, now you can open the command prompt. Okay, type the command, Vina command. You can give the same command, don't change.
Yes.
You can copy paste. It's working. Okay, I think before this you have given capital C.
No, sir. It was not caps.
No, not here. Here in the config.
Yes, sir. My it was off only, sir.
I think there is something missing now. 43 536 2743
Three. Yeah.
dot txt space log underscore 536 2743 dot txt. Okay, now This app
Forward.
cannot run on PC.
For the version,
Data
please check the software publish.
software publisher.
Mm-hmm.
It is not. Access is done. When you typed command prompt, it will ask you to click yes or no. There you clicked yes or no.
Yes, sir. I clicked
You,
yes.
you clicked on yes. Okay, still it is not working.
Let's try this again.
Access is denied. Okay, you can do one thing, ma. You can copy all the files to C drive and do the cross check once. If it may work.
To C
Because
drive.
because of the permissions issue, usually it won't work. Click Control A, copy everything. Just Control A and Control C. No, not this one.
The files only, sir.
You can do anyway, folder or files, anyway is fine. Copy, go to C drive,
Copy.
click on
Copy.
this PC, C, okay, program files x86. No,
Done.
not here. Program files
In program
x86.
files.
Yeah, not there also. You just copy, cut that one.
Sorry, sir.
No, just copy and cut. Control C. Select that folder, molecules.
Yeah, it's selected, sir.
Zoeb, don't be in hurry. Copy, cut that one. Okay,
Done,
go
sir.
to program files x86. Program files x86 below one. Now
Great.
the Scripps Research Institute. तुम वीना इंस्टॉल किया या नहीं? I think you have not installed Veena.
I did, sir.
Okay, then go to that program files folder. Go back. I think just check here. We have folder with the Scripps Research Institute. Here also it
Sir,
is
are you
not there.
referring to the ones that you sent in the softwares file?
Yeah. The softwares I have told you to install all the four softwares, right? You have not
Yeah.
installed
What?
this software, I think. So that is the reason
Uh,
it is not working for you.
okay. I thought that was and the one in this folder are same. So I'll just do that and come back.
Okay, ma. Yeah. Anyone else? Is there anyone facing any other issues? Yes, ma. Make it fast. Let me know quickly. Yeah, Marvin, are you able to do for all the three or you have done? How many files, Ligand files you have done? Yes, ma, I am speaking to you guys only. How many of you are doing, how many of you are done with one ligand? Why this big silence? Okay, ma, I hope every one of you remember the docking analysis part. So, do we need an explanation about the analysis part that what we have studied, done the practice session yesterday? Or will you be able to do? Yes. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat that, sir?
I am doing everything, ma. You people are doing not doing anything. Okay. Uh, so if you people maintain same sort of silence, I'll do one thing. I will close the sessions this week. Okay, because we are almost done with the topic. There is no point of going an extra mile and teaching uh, this inactive set of setup. Okay. Okay, let's me teach that thing anyway. Okay, so whatever the interactions you are seeing here in the Discovery Studio, you can report in this way. Okay, so what is the binding energy and what are the set of interacting residues? Okay, suppose if you are working with two different proteins like dimer, then chain A, these are the amino acids of chain A, these are the amino acids of chain B. You can report this way. If you are working with only single protein, then you can simply type the numbers, protein name and the numbers this way, like this. Okay, so now let's open the today's what we have done, case 2. Okay, first we have to open the protein one. So this 5WBS underscore prep is the protein file. So this is the protein file, 5WBS underscore prep. So open this in the Discovery Studio. Okay, so we are doing the same process now, whether I am doing the with yesterday's molecules or today's molecules, the process is same. You can do the same process. Okay, so just open the protein file in PDB format in the Discovery Studio, then click on this arrow mark. Okay, I think it's taking time for the screen to update. Okay, click on this arrow mark. Okay, so now you can see here we have two protein chains in this one what we have taken today, and I think the ligand is going to sit in between these two proteins. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we have to drop the ligands here into this space. Okay, so let me take this one, 5362743, select all the 9 poses, then drop them into this space. Okay, so after dropping here, now you can see, click on the receptor ligand interactions on the top, then click on view interactions. Here you can see define receptor, the receptor name is 5WBS underscore prep, whatever the protein you have taken, and define ligand, it is undefined now. So if you click on this downward arrow mark, so you can see the ligand has been zoomed in, it means the ligand has been defined. Okay, you can see here the name, it is ligand 6 5WBS 5362743 underscore ligand underscore 6. Okay, now click on the ligand interactions. You can see the interactions of the ligand. Okay, so now you click on the upward arrow mark here on the bottom of the screen, there is this upward arrow mark. So I think you are able to note that one. I am rotating the mouse at that location. So click on this upward arrow mark, and here we have to click on non-bond. Okay, click on non-bond. Then you can see here this has, what is the color of hydrogen bonds? What is the color of the hydrogen bonds, ma? Hydrogen bonds will be shown in which color? Okay, they are shown in
Is it red, sir?
which color, ma? So here,
I can't see clearly, sir, but is that red or maroon only?
no, I am asking the question from the yesterday's what we have discussed. So there is
Okay.
nothing green colored here, or
No,
whatever
red.
color, red. No. Okay, the hydrogen bonds will be shown in green color. Okay, so just click on the downward arrow mark, the ligand pose will change, and you can see this is also not having any hydrogen bond. Okay, ma'am. So you can see in this molecule we don't have any hydrogen bonds. So this may, So we may have docking of this kind also. Okay, so now what we'll do, we don't have any hydrogen bonds, then we have to look at these hydrophobic bonds only. So for this pose we have 8 hydrophobic bonds. Click on the upward arrow mark and you can see we have 7. Here we have 7 and here we have 8 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, and we have 6, 7. Okay, so 8 is the maximum number of hydrogen bonds. So you select the one with the first, which is appearing first. Okay, in the order 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, in that order which is having 8, that one we have to select. So I think this ligand 8, pose 8 is also having 8, and pose 2 is also having 8, and pose 5 is also having 8. So in order of 2 5 8, 2 will be the first one. So I am selecting the pose 2. Okay, you can see here in the defined ligand it will be 5WBS 5362743 underscore ligand 2. So this is what I am selecting. So you can take, you have to make a note of these things here. A pro 58. So we have two protein chains. So we are writing it as A pro 58 leucine. So we don't have leucine here, pro 58, and B pro 58. So just type whatever you have seen here. Okay, so B pro 58. Then we have A phe 108, that is phenylalanine. So A phenylalanine 108, and you can see we have phenylalanine 110 also here. So go and type here phenylalanine 110, and you can see here we have B chain phenylalanine 108 also. So here phenylalanine 108, and from the docking you have to check what is the binding energy what we got. So if I open the log file, so I have selected the position 2. So 2 is 3.8 minus 3.8. So just check the value, it is minus 3.8. I have already written here. So these are the interacting set of molecules. Okay, so this way you have to report the interactions, or you can report the same interactions in a different way also. Okay, so if you want to use some creativity, you can use some creativity also here. And you can see these are alkyl and pi alkyl bonds. Okay, ma'am. So you can report this way also, like alkyl. So what are the alkyl bonds? We have A pro 58 and with the ligand. Okay, this one. And these three are same, and we have B pro 58. Okay, and next we have pi alkyl. You can see this one A phenylalanine. So this is pi alkyl. I'm just pasting it here. Then comma this one A phenylalanine 110, and we have one more, this B phenylalanine 108. Okay, so this way you have to report the interactions. Okay, suppose let me show the same way of reporting for the yesterday's thing what we have done. So I have saved the yesterday's thing. Actually, what we have done the analysis. I'm just opening the same file directly. Okay, so we can see this is what we have done yesterday. Okay, and if you click on non-bond, you can see all the bonds here. So we have hydrogen bonds, halogen bonds, and hydrophobic bonds. And within the hydrophobic, we have like, okay, pi sigma, pi stacked, pi T-shaped, and pi alkyl. Okay, or else you can take this category and report. Okay, so I'll show both the ways. So let's look at the first easy way. Like, what is the ligand here? So the ligand is, I think, I don't remember exactly. Let me type it as nucleotide analog. Okay, 1. And what is the binding affinity? We have selected, you can see here, define ligand, it is ligand 5. So blind docking is ligand 5. So go to the log file of blind docking. I think so the ligand file, blind docking file has been replaced. Okay, it got replaced actually, as we have done multiple dockings yesterday. Okay, here we have this log file for blind docking. So let's check. So pose phi is minus 6.9. So type the same thing here, minus 6.9. And what are the residues you are seeing in the interaction? This is ASP. We have only one chain here, that is A chain. So ASP 117. What is ASP? Aspartic acid 117. Then we have glycine 68. Glycine 68. And we have leucine 120. And we have methionine 116. So even if it is twice, we have going to report only once. Okay, methionine 116 already we have reported, ASP 117 already we have reported, and we have phenylalanine 178. So phenylalanine 178, and then we have this phenylalanine 126. So phenylalanine 126, and this phenylalanine 178 we have already reported. Okay, so we are not reporting that one again. So this is also the one way to report. Suppose let me show you another way. How many of you are active? Okay, Ramesh, Akshaya, Manasvi, Marvin, Soumya, Naveen, Mahesh. Okay, ma. So this is what very important, ma. If you are writing a paper or if you are writing a thesis. Okay, so listen carefully. So this one I'm taking, and we are still putting the energy will be same, but let's see the reporting for ways, different ways. So first I will like to report hydrophobic uh, hydrogen bond interactions. So simply we can write H-bond interactions. Okay, so hydrogen bond interactions, you can see category hydrogen bond. So these are the 3 hydrogen bonds. Okay, so these 3 we are going to report. So copy this one, paste it here. Okay, then halogen interactions. So type halogen. What is mean by halogen? So we have this one. What is mean by halogen, ma?
So fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, all those elements at periodic table.
Yeah, those elements we call them as halogens. Okay. So next we have hydrophobic. Let me see whether we can copy paste all. Yeah. So this is how another way to report. Okay, ma. So sometimes we have salt bridges also, different types of interactions. We can report all those things. So this now you can see I have shown three ways. So this is the simplest way, and this is one way. Like we'll detail the different type of bonds, and this is the like category wise. Okay, three different categories. So within this hydrogen bond interactions, we usually have two types. You can see here we have conventional hydrogen bond and carbon hydrogen bond. Okay, now, and within this hydrophobic interactions we have many types. So like pi sigma, pi pi, pi pi t shaped, pi alkyl, or alkyl alkyl. Okay, so like that we have different types of interactions in the hydrophobic. So you can report in this way also, or using this way also. So it depends on you how you want to report. Okay, so this file I will send you guys. So now it is on your shoulders that you have to do uh, docking of all the 10 ligands and make a report like this. Okay, you have to fill the table for all the 10 ligands. And next, why we are doing all these things means, so based on this we will tell which out of the 10 ligands which is binding more effectively to the target protein. Okay, ma. So which is having lowest energy, that will be the one which is binding very good with the ligand. Okay, ma. So if suppose let's compare these two, let's assume we have doctored these two to the same protein. In that case, nucleotide analog 1 is having minus 6.9. It means that this is the lowest value. So this is binding very effectively than all other ligands. So that is how we are going to report the information. Okay. So this is about ligand. Excuse me. So this is about ligand based docking approaches. So now as I've already shared the files, you have to finish the docking of all the 10 ligands and you have to submit the folder. Okay, ma. So do the work, create a folder. Okay, convert that folder to a zip file. So simply whatever the folder you have, so that one, give a right click on the folder. You have to give a right click on the folder. Okay, and you can create a zip file of the folder. Just click on show more options. So it will show where is this one, send to compressed zipped folder. Okay, this is the option, compressed zip folder. Just click on that. So that will be a zipped file. Okay, so this file you just share it with me. So if you do this, then only I will allow you guys to further tomorrow's class. If you are not sending this, then I will not, either I will allow only the submitted people or I will cancel the class. Okay, so take it seriously. So try to finish off, as I've already supplied the molecules. So I think if you are lazy, go ahead with those molecules and finish the process and do the analysis, and you have to submit a table. So if you are crazy to learn, then take your own protein, take your own set of ligands and do everything from the scratch. Okay, so I hope everything is clear in today's session. So anyway, I will share the recordings in few minutes. Okay, so thank you all. If you have any doubts, you can unmute and ask, ma. So don't say, sir, I was stuck at this point, I was stuck at that point. Don't tell all those nonsense answers tomorrow for and the lame excuses. If you are don't have patience for looking at these big lengthy videos, I have already shared one file in the WhatsApp. So there in that file you have videos for everything. Those are the short videos, okay, maximum 10 to 15 minutes time. Videos are already shared in the WhatsApp group, so you can go through those videos also and do your work. Okay, I thought of showing it here, but yeah, Marvin, you have any doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir, may I know when is the last date of the assignment submission?
Tomorrow only, ma, because you people are not working.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, okay. So I think yeah, WhatsApp has opened. No, it's taking too much time to load.